Video viral di media sosial memperlihatkan kecelakaan mobil di Jalan Tol Amerika Serikat AS. Namun video tersebut viral di Indonesia bukan karena kecelakaannya melainkan ada Toyota Avanza. Dalam video yang dilansir akun Insragram Dashcam Owners Indonesia, terlihat Avanza model lama berwarna putih tersebut mengerem tepat di belakang kedua mobil yang tabrakan di dalam jalan tol.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to